Have you guys heard of REVANT? I've been doing some reviews for them, but I just got their blush sticks. It's called their Glow and Go sticks. And I used which one did I use? The magenta pink. Okay, don't be afraid of the color in this. These, oh, my nose is itchy. Here, let's swatch them. So this one I think is the lightest. This is the magenta pink. I'm going to swatch this so you guys can see it. Okay, but then we'll blend these in after. And we have a Deep Merlot is the darkest. Dusty Rose. Check out that one. I have came across this company. This one's Deep Merlot. And let me tell you, as we get older, our skin changes, right? But like, look how I'm going to blend in half of this. It's just a really nice creamy stick. It's so light. And it just blends in so nicely. And when it's on you, it just kind of gives you like that extra glow. Like it doesn't sink into lines or anything. It's wonderful. So today we're going to use no, not Dusty Rose. Yes, let's try the Dusty Rose, I think, because I think I used the magenta pink before. So what's everybody been up to this weekend? I'm just going to slide that on. See how easy that goes on? It's so nice. I like to put a little bit right there. And then just use your fingers and blend it in. And I find it gives you that nice healthy glow. I don't know. I love it. Absolutely love it. And I've got their eyeliners. Now I wish they had lipsticks because I'm in desperate need of some lipstick right now. But they have like eyeliners, blush sticks, and eyebrow pencils. That's another one I want to try. But their eyeliners are fantastic too. They just kind of glide on, and they're waterproof, smudge proof. After about, I'm going to say like 30, 40 seconds. This is their brown. Just glides right on. So it's amazing. I'm just going to pull up my mirror here so I can see what I'm doing, you guys. I like to go on my waterline. Thank you. You are so sweet. So I kind of got out of wearing makeup for a long time. But I found recently that it's something I want to get back into, and I'm loving it. And these just, they go on so nice and easy. Let's just do. And like when you get older too, I find some of the makeup that's out there just isn't meant for our skin. It's crazy. And this just glides on just like silk. You guys see that? Like, and if you want to blend, if you want to blend it, you've got about like 30 seconds or so. Let's give a little bit of a, here we go. After that, it's not going to go anywhere. And I found in like where I live is Southern Alberta, Canada, and we have been having the most hottest summer here. I'm loving it, but it's not always the best for makeup. But I found that my eyeliner is staying, like it's not just disappearing.